Hey guys, it's Christina, and today I'm going to be making a painted buttercream floral cake. So I've been seeing painted buttercream cakes all over social media, and I have painted with buttercream before with my brushstroke cake, but I haven't done anything with florals yet, so I really wanted to try it. So this is my take on the buttercream painted cake using palette knives. So in front of me, I have a few different shades of buttercream frosting. And so my flowers are gonna be purple. So I have two shades, obviously a light and a dark, and same thing with green for the leaves. And then what I'm gonna be using to paint with are these palette knives. So I got these online, so I'll make sure to put the link in the show notes, but these are really great because they're really small so that we can get some of those details in. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start with the dark center of the flowers, and I'm going to almost make like a swirl. So I'm going to get some on the back of my palette knife and just going to start with a little bit. I'm going in a circle. I should mention that this cake is obviously already frosted and it's been in the refrigerator for several hours, so it is firm to the touch. You do need a cold cake to do this technique. So what I'm trying to do is get that texture that a rose has by swirling like this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lighter purple and put some of this on the outside. And I do want this to blend a little bit, so I'm kind of blending the light and the dark. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these all around my cake. focus on the leaves. So I'm gonna use the lighter green as more of the base color for each leaf. So again, I'm just using the back of the palette knife and making a leaf shape. Okay, so my buttercream painted cake is done and I love how it turned out. This was a super simple technique and I do hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to my channel below.